My name is Conrad. I'm from Beaumont, California. I'm currently driving the 170 Mercedes Sprinter Extended, four-wheel drive diesel. Today we're upgrading the 24-gallon fuel tank and putting the 47-gallon tank in. We're also installing the amp research steps. Other upgrades we just finished up is I put the CR Lawrence windows in the back, the bunker windows. I also just recently put the roof rack on from Rugged Design Concepts, 5 LP9s up top, and we have 2 LP9s at the front grille with the Van Compass floating headlights. I did a modified CAtuned bumper with no bull bar. I got the worn Zeon 12S Platinum winch. We got the Black Rhino Arsenal wheels. We have the Micky Thompson 305s, and we have the Alvan ladder rack in the back as well. 2 Max Air fans, and I just recently got the Dometic RTX 2000, which I'll be installing pretty shortly here. This is a new rig for us. We pretty much got this vehicle about 8 months ago, so I'm trying to get all the external components upgraded, and then we're going to move to the inside. But once we do complete that, we should have that done within 4 or 5 months. Our first trip, we plan on heading down to Baja, trying to make it down to Cabo and then back. And then once we do that, we're going to try to make our way to Montana. This is our first van. Usually we had trailers and dirt bikes and stuff, which we would take out with the kids, but all the kids are grown up now. So me and my wife just wanted something where we can take the 2 dogs and load up and just take off. So this is the kind of way to go with stress-free without having a trailer, and easy access, and being able to stop and sleep and head anywhere we want to go. Yeah, it's just a lot less stress for me, being the one that's parking the vehicle. And before, a lot of it was all on me with the trailers and finding areas to park and doing a lot of research, so that you can get into those areas. With the van, it's just so much easier to go anywhere and do a 3-point turnabout and get out of there. So it's just really nice and convenient versus having to unload all the dirt bikes from the toy haulers, and you're just there and pull anywhere up and sleep and provide fun for the next day. We usually go to the High Sierras every year. Sequoia National Park is like a big thing for me and my family, so we really enjoy that, and we also head down to the beach and do a lot of camping at the beach. Get a lot of attention in the van. I mean, we have a few other vehicles that BMW and the high ends and stuff that get no attention, that we put a lot of money into, but you drive the vans and people are just honking and pulling up next to you, wanting to know what you've done to it. And so it's a really big attention getter for this one. I have an Instagram at Conrad, and I just want to say, thanks for all your guys' help here. I've always, looked at you guys and as, top of the line in the industry, and I'm really happy to be part of the Agile Off-Road team.